Today I'm going to go over 3 accessories for the trunk in Frunk. The first is a trunk protector, which goes over the rear plastic area between the bumper and inside the trunk. There are silver and black versions available. So let's unbox this first item. The 2 pieces come individually wrapped in plastic, and they both have a protective plastic coating on it. As you can see, it was a bit time consuming to remove all of this coating. I purchased the black version, and you can see it has kind of like a brushed metal aluminum look to it, a bit glossy. On the underside area is a lot of 3M double-sided tape. Here's a close-up of the finish. Now let's install it in the car. The first step is to clean the surface of the plastic, remove any dirt and debris, oil, and any other deposits on the trim. Next, we open the adhesion promoter pack. And we're going to apply this to all of the areas that the protector is going to cover. Now I open the second pack to do the other half. Remove the red plastic backing from the 3M tape. Now you can carefully place the protective cover over the part of the bumper trim. It's pretty easy. It only goes in one way. You can see that there's an indent on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side follows the contour by the lock. Make sure you press down firmly so the tape adheres to the plastic underneath. And you do the same for the other half. Here's a close-up of the install. The next item I'm going to install is the front sill protector that's in the frunk area. It's made from the same stainless steel as the rear sill protector, and this one is also in black. Remove the red backing plastic off of the 3M tape. When installing this piece, you need to put the curved section so it faces towards the back of the car. Press down firmly. Honestly, I doubt this part of the frunk really needs that much protection, but I think it adds a nice look, a more finished appearance, and it matches the rear trunk sill area. The last item that we're going to install today is the left rear trunk organizer divider. Here you can see this area. It's a nice little cubby where I actually store quite a few items in my car. This is a quick unboxing. We have a brochure from the company. The divider is wrapped in a plastic bag. Here you can see that there are Velcro strips on both sides. This will attach to the carpeted area in the trunk. The finish almost exactly matches the cloth trim areas that it's going to be attaching to. You can see that the left-hand side bends a little bit so that that Velcro tab will attach to the carpeted area, and the right side will attach also. It is easily removable in case you need to take it out for cleaning. If you don't install it correctly, you can remove it and put it in the right way. Now I'll pack it with some of the things I keep in that area. Cleaning supplies. Jack pad adapters. Tire inflator. And a towel. If you're interested in any of these items, please see the video description for links. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.